2026 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon Pickup is finally here, and it's built to dominate both the wild trails and everyday roads with unmatched rugged capability and modern innovation. This new pickup version takes everything people love about the Wrangler and blends it with the practicality of a truck, creating a machine that feels both adventurous and functional. From the very first look, the design screams strength with its iconic 7-slot grille, aggressive stance, high ground clearance, and massive off-road tires that are ready to tackle any terrain you throw at it. Under the hood, the 2026 Wrangler Rubicon Pickup offers multiple engine options to suit different driving needs. The standard model comes with a 3.6-litre Pentastar V6 engine, delivering around 285 horsepower, paired with either a 6-speed manual or an 8-speed automatic transmission. For those who want more power, there's an available 0-litre turbocharged inline-4 engine, producing about 270 horsepower with improved torque for off-road performance. Jeep also introduces a hybrid 4xe variant, combining electric efficiency with raw power, giving drivers both eco-friendly driving and serious off-road capability. Performance is where this truck truly shines. Built on a reinforced body-on-frame platform, it features heavy-duty axles, locking differentials, and an advanced 4x4 system that ensures maximum traction even in the harshest environments. The Rubicon trim specifically comes with RockTrack 4x4 system, electronic sway bar disconnect, and front and rear locking differentials, making it one of the most capable off-road pickups in its class. Whether it's climbing rocky mountains, crossing rivers, or driving through sand dunes, this truck handles it all with confidence. The suspension system has been upgraded for 2026, offering better articulation and improved ride comfort. Even though it's designed for extreme off-roading, it doesn't compromise on daily driving comfort. The steering feels more refined, and the ride quality on highways is smoother compared to previous generations. Jeep has clearly focused on making this pickup versatile enough for both adventure seekers and regular drivers. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Wrangler Rubicon Pickup brings a modern and tech-focused interior while maintaining its rugged DNA. You get a large touchscreen infotainment system, expected to be around 12.3 inches, featuring the latest Uconnect system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The dashboard is redesigned with premium materials, giving it a more upscale feel without losing its tough character. Digital instrument cluster, customizable displays, and improved voice control make the driving experience more connected and convenient. Comfort has also been improved with better seating, more legroom, and enhanced sound insulation. The seats are designed to handle long drives while still being durable enough for outdoor adventures. Heated and ventilated seats, dual-zone climate control, and a premium sound system are available in higher trims, making it a perfect blend of comfort and capability. One of the biggest highlights of this pickup is its cargo bed. Unlike the traditional Wrangler SUV, this version offers a functional truck bed that is perfect for hauling gear, tools, or camping equipment. The bed is designed with durability in mind, featuring reinforced materials and multiple tie-down points. It also supports various accessories, making it highly customizable depending on your needs. Safety features have also been significantly upgraded in the 2026 model. It includes advanced driver assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, forward collision warning, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system. These features make driving safer both on and off the road, giving drivers more confidence in different situations. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon Pickup is expected to start around $48,000 in the United States for the base model. Higher trims and fully loaded versions, especially the hybrid 4xe variant, can go up to $65,000 or more depending on features and customization. While it may seem expensive, the combination of off-road capability, modern technology, and pickup utility makes it a strong value in its segment. In terms of models, Jeep is expected to offer multiple trims including Sport, Sahara, and the top-tier Rubicon. Each model comes with its own set of features, but the Rubicon stands out as the ultimate off-road beast with the most advanced hardware and performance capabilities. Overall, the 2026 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon Pickup is not just a vehicle, it's a statement. It's designed for people who want freedom, adventure, and the ability to go anywhere without limitations. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast, a weekend explorer, or someone who just wants a tough and reliable pickup truck, this vehicle delivers on all fronts. It perfectly combines Jeep's legendary off-road heritage with modern technology and everyday usability, making it one of the most exciting trucks to watch in 2026.